morning to everyone. I welcome you all to the Parents Orientation Program. Today is not just a wonderful day, but we will make it a day full of learning. To start, may we all rise, be one in mind, spirit and body, and rise to thank Almighty God for all the blessings through our praise. I welcome Ramya and Ruth for a praise. Please round of applause. Thank you so much, Ramya and Ruth. The agenda for today's program is as follows: about us, classroom activities, co-curricular activities, vision and mission, know my team. So let's begin with about us. Vikram School established in the year 2010 in a pleasant, soothing environment with magnificent infrastructure spread over 8 acres. Today, after a decade, the school has 1,200 students and 60 plus teachers. The school is housed in a beautiful and spacious building built in an eco-friendly environment. The classrooms are spacious with comfortable infrastructure and smart TV. The school has spacious playground which provides excellent facilities for various games and sports. And yes, let's know about our curricular and co-curricular activities. Please have it on the screen. Vikram School is built on a decade of leadership in education, equipping young learners with knowledge, skills, attitudes, and young learners to thrive in a complex and dynamic world. Let's get to know about vision and mission. So vision. Our vision is to create a pathway for a rapidly changing world by providing equal opportunities for all and cultivating excellence in every student. Mission. Our mission as a school is to equip and nurture all the students with the skills and mindset to thrive in their intellectual, emotional and physical development. So now let's get to know about our team. And it's my immense pleasure to introduce you all to my team, to our team, who are the pillars of the Vikram School. Let me introduce you all through the department wise. English teachers, Mrs. Dakshani, Mrs. Shobha, Mrs. Sharda, Mrs. Pravina, Mrs. Asishwini, Mrs. Aisha. Hindi department, Mrs. Anita V, Mrs. Shailaja, Mrs. Jyoti. Science and EVS department, Mrs. Shilpa K, Mrs. Nandini, Mrs. Usharani, Mrs. Navnita, Mrs. Sadia, Mr. Venkatray. Kannada department, Mrs. Savita, Mrs. Sunita, Mrs. Devra. Maths department, Mrs. Renuka, Kumar Harshita, Mrs. Pratibha. Pre-primary department, Mrs. Shata, Mrs. Kavita, Mrs. Mamta, Mrs. Usharani, Mrs. Madhumalati, Mrs.
Communicative English, people are very good at studies. I had one student by name Pallavi when I was working in Bangalore. Her background was from Telugu medium. She is the topper of the class, but when she wants us to clear her campus selection agava, she was unable to speak any words. The communication gap in her, she was losing her confidence. Olympiad exams, inter-school competitions, and finally with the lead. Lead ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ is very, very, very creative and very vast. I request Shobha to speak about few words related to the lead and how it is benefited for our kids. Thank you.
I request all the great tap at the end for the further class. Thank you.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to speak about the LEAD curriculum. A very warm and elegant morning, everyone. Today, I am very ecstatic that I am here to give a small introduction about one of the best value education in the for informating you all about the LEAD curriculum. Now, I would request Mr. Prabhu sir, the State LEAD Coordinator, to give a brief information about LEAD curriculum. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
Dear parents, actually LEAD ಇಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ we have a lot of creativity and a very good communicative classes as well. It will be very helpful for a child to be very exposure without any fear. And ಈ LEAD now we are
ಟೈಪ್ರೈಟರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸರ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ಮೀ. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ AI ಕಲಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅವ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಇವಾಗ? ಟುಡೇ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಹೌದಾ? ಅದನ್ನು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಇದೆ, ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಇದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಮಗು ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್, ಏನು ಅವ್ರು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಮನದಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಮೆಜಾರಿಟಿ ಇರೋದೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಓದಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತ ಯಾರಿಗಿದೆ ಬರೀ ಓವರಾಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗಿನ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ, ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ರ್ಯಾಂಕು, ರೈಟ್? ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಮ್ಯಾಚ್. ಬಟ್ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೇನು ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನಾವು ಮಹತ್ವ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಆರ್ಟ್, ರೈಟ್, ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್, ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟ್, ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ. ಸುಮಾರು ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲೂ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದೇ